Namaste, all of you. Welcome back to an article a day. Create an excellent way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skills. My name is Pratik, student of class 11th of Kendriya Vidyalaya Malkangiri. First of all, let me tell you the importance today. Today is 11th November and is celebrated as National Education Day. So, a very joyful and brilliant National Education Day to all of you. In this video, I would love to read an article to you. The article will tell you the significance and history of National Education Day. Please watch till the end and broaden your knowledge. India marks National Education Day on November 11 to memorialize the birthday of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Minister for Education in India. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad's exemplary contribution to the field of education and institution building paved the way for the country's modern system. Reputed as the main architect of education, he served as India's first vice president as well as the first education minister from 1947 to 1958. Now, all educational institutions in the country mark the day with seminars, essay writing, workshops, and rallies with slogans on the importance of literacy and India's commitment to education. History of National Education Day. In September of 2008, India's Ministry of Human Resource Development declared the birthday of the great son of India, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, to be nationally recognized as Education Day. The day is also seen as an occasion to remember Abul Kalam's contribution in laying the foundations of the education system in an independent India and evaluating and improving the country's current performance in the field. After its independence in 1947, India struggled to completely revamp and stabilize its institutions and sectors. Recognizing that education would be crucial for nation building, the leaders of the country shifted their focus towards education. Abul Kalam, in particular, served as the flag bearer for this cause. Speaking in 1948 at All India Education, he highlighted the importance of the birthright of every person to receive basic education necessary for the well-being without foregoing their duties as a citizen. As a freedom fighter and academician, Abul Kalam was best fit for the role of Education Minister for independent India. Illiteracy was a major hurdle for the development of the country, which had already struggled and suffered through years of exploitation prior to it gaining status as a separate nation. Understanding the integral role played by a healthy education system for the development of the country, as chairman of the Central Advisory Board of Education, Maulana Abul Kalam was the driving force towards the eradication of illiteracy. He emphasized heavily on elementary education and propagated the expansion of secondary education, especially for girls. But perhaps his largest contribution is the Indian Institutes of Technology. Under his leadership, the first IIT was inaugurated in 1951. Abul Kalam truly believed in the potential of establishing IITs for the progression of research and technological advancement in India. True enough, today IITs have created a niche for themselves. Whether nationally or internationally, IITs are looked as epitome of educational excellence. It is hence befitting to honor the memory of the man behind India's educational might be celebrating his birthday as National Education Day every year. National Education Day 2021 theme. Education is the central theme of celebration for National Education Day. Every year, the day does not see attachment of explicit changing themes of celebration. However, every school sets aside a different series of celebrations to mark the day. Every year, the Ministry of HRD sets a plan of events to celebrate the birth anniversary of Maulana Azad and to remember his contributions to the field of education. Some of the common areas stressed upon to highlight the day's importance include education of women, compulsory universal primary education, the importance of vocational education, free and fair education for all children till the age of 14, and making technical education affordable to the masses. The present governments live by Maulana Azad foresight of including modern science and contemporary teaching methodologies in imparting education to the country. The special words that have been taken from the above articles are memorialize, preserve the memory of, or to commemorate, hurdle, a problem or difficulty that must be overcome, inculcating, teach someone an attitude, idea, or habit by persistent instruction, revamp, give new and improved form, structure, or appearance to. I believe that you have gained some knowledge. Thanks for watching.